Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. In this video, I want to show you a really very stealthy option strategy. It's one of my favorites to use in certain market conditions, but it's a kind of a medium to longer term directional option strategy. And it's what we call, I'll go through it here in a minute, what we call a vertical diagonal debit spread or a calendar diagonal spread. So basically it's going to be, you're going to be long an outer leg with a further out in time duration and short the closer in duration. So kind of like a call debit spread, but instead of being the same duration of both the long and call, you're going to have the long option out further in time and the short option against that closer in time to take advantage of the theta decay. And also if you have a horizontal positive skew. So here's the trade setup that we did yesterday. This was an alert trade, so alert service send out trades, but we had American Express and picked up a multiple squeezes on this trade. So let me just show you the indicator we used for that to start with. So we set this trade up yesterday towards the middle of the day. It had already broken through this 382 Fibonacci retracement level, which was a good kind of key resistance area. It was in a volatility squeeze here on the daily. You can see here in that triggered today, so it's in purple, so it means it's triggered. But it also has a 2-day squeeze and a weekly squeeze. We had nice positive momentum. So you can see here's the daily squeeze triggering, but we got into this yesterday, and what we were looking for is potential move to the upside, but it was going to be capped right here probably initially at this 200-day moving average. So we were going to get into this trade and look for a pop to the upside. It could take a day or 2 days or maybe a week, and then look to exit the trade up here around 105 as it's coming into the 200-day moving average and that 618 retracement, and then re-look at the trade again, because it's got more potential to the upside. You can see from this high to low, and now it's kind of forming this kind of cup pattern, kind of a bowl. So it's kind of consolidating, bottoming out. So a good setup for the calendar diagonal, because you can buy time and wait the trade out if it's not perfect on your direction right when you put the trade on. So here's the trade and how we set it up. So yesterday what we did, we bought the 18 September 100 call and then sold at the same time the 14 August 105 call. So that would be for expiration this week. So you can see the long dated is out in September, so about 39 days out. But the short part of the trade is in the 14 August, this Friday. So very short duration to take advantage of time decay, theta go into zero, and also volatility go into zero. So this is a great way to set the trade up. So we set this up at $5. That's the maximum risk. And then we were looking for profit take when we got to 105, 106. And today we got a really nice gift because it exploded to the upside and took the trade off today at over $110 per spread. So, that was about a 22% in one day. So this went from $5. When we took it off, it was at $6.10, $6.11. And you can see it went out today at about $71. But the great part of this trade is that if you don't get that direction, like this one was perfect because we got the direction right away. But if you don't get the direction right away and it consolidates, you still have all the way to the long dated, in this particular case, about 39 days to work the trade like a covered call. So we could close out the 105, take the credit received there for shorting that, adjust down the 100 call, roll to the next series and sell it again, and do it again and again and again like a covered call. So as long as it holds your support levels and directionally you think it's going to move up, in this case it's a really great strategy. We've been having high winning percentage trades. We're over 80% on doing these calendar diagonals and calendars. But if you'd like to learn more about this strategy and a number of other option strategies, I'm going to be doing a free option kind of workshop here this Saturday on option strategies that you need to know. So sign up on this link, and hopefully I'll see you Saturday, and good luck trading.